In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a sales team in Pipedrive, 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to pipedrive.com. On the homepage, click Login, enter your login email and password, then click Login again to access your account. If you're using single sign-on, follow your organization's usual process. Once you're in, you'll land in your pipeline under Deals. This is a good place to confirm you're in the right workspace before making any team changes. Next, look to the top right corner for your account icon. Click it and choose Manage Users. This takes you to the admin area where you control who's in your account and what they can do. If you don't see this option, you may need admin rights. Inside Users and Teams, locate Team Filters. Use these filters to view and manage your structure by team. Now, create a new team by clicking the plus team button. Give the team a clear, recognizable name, then add members by selecting them from your user list. Add everyone who should belong to this team and click Save to confirm. With the team created, it's time to set up permissions. Click Permission Sets, then open the Global Features Permission Sets area. Choose the permission set that matches what this team should be allowed to do and click Edit Permission Set. Review the options carefully, things like creating deals, exporting data, or managing other users. Adjust only what you need, then click Save to lock in those changes. Now return to Users and Access to assign the correct access to individuals. Find the user you want to update, click the 3 dots next to their name, and select Edit Access Rights. Choose the appropriate team and permission set for that person. When you're done, click Edit One User and then confirm to apply the change. Repeat this for any additional users who need updates so their access is consistent with their role. Finally, set up who can see what. Click Visibility Groups. Here, you can group your team so that visibility aligns with your sales process, whether people see only their own items, their team's items, or everything across the company. Make your selections carefully to protect sensitive information while keeping collaboration easy. When you're all set, click Save. And that's it. You've logged in, created teams, assigned permission sets, updated user access, and configured visibility groups. Review these settings regularly as your team grows or responsibilities change to keep your Pipedrive account running smoothly.